Every second that passes, lightning strikes the Earth about 100 times around the world. Imagine how many lightning bolts have hit the Earth since you started watching this video. Have you ever wondered how much you don't know about the world? What if I told you there are shocking, mind-blowing facts hiding all around you? In your body, in the ocean, even in the stars above. Today on your channel, Unanswered Logic, we're diving into 30 unbelievable facts that will make you question everything you thought you knew. Get ready, because by the end of this video, your mind will be blown. Let's jump in. Let's start first with the field of the human body. Did you know that your body generates electrical charges every minute strong enough to power a small bomb? The electricity in you is not just neural impulses, it's real energy that flows through your cells. Without it, life would cease instantly. Your heart beats more than 100,000 times a day. That's about 35 million times a year. All of this happens without you needing to think about it or control it. Imagine if you had to control it manually. Throughout your life, while you're sleeping, you'll swallow between 50 to 70 small insects, perhaps spiders, maybe tiny flies. They enter your mouth without you even noticing. A terrifying thought, but it's true. If we removed all the empty space within the atoms of your body, you would shrink to the size of a tiny piece of sugar cube. Yes, we are essentially made of empty space. Believe it or not, humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. This doesn't mean we're closely related to the plant, but it shows how much more interconnected the genetic codes of living organisms are than we realize. And now, shocking facts about the depths of the seas and oceans. There is a species of jellyfish called Turritopsis dohrnii, which can reprogram its cells and return to its juvenile stage repeatedly. It doesn't die naturally, only if something else eats it or it gets infected. In the dark depths of the ocean, strange creatures live not depending on the sun, but on the carcasses of whales that sink to the bottom. There, a feast begins that can last for months, even years. Imagine an ugly fish living in total darkness with a small light dangling above its head. It uses this light to attract prey that think the light is a sign of safety, but as soon as they get close, they are devoured. Mauna Kea, a mountain in Hawaii, is taller than Mount Everest if measured from its base under the sea, but it's hidden from our view because most of its mass is underwater. More than 85% of the world's oceans remain unexplored, meaning most of our planet is completely unknown. What could be hiding down there? Monsters? Secrets? No one knows. And now, about the realm of animals and creatures. Despite their small size, the total weight of all the ants on Earth exceeds the weight of all humans combined. Imagine the power of this tiny army. Some snakes are capable of surviving for up to 2 years without eating, relying solely on the slow pace of their metabolic processes and storing energy internally. It's as if they are machines designed for survival. Bullet ants have a sting described as the most excruciating pain in the insect world, as if you've been shot under your skin. The pain can last for hours. The Adelie penguin isn't shy about stealing stones from its neighbor's nests to build its own. Yes, even in the animal world, theft exists. Some sea snails may appear innocent, but they carry a deadly venom that can end a human's life in just a few minutes. And now, shocking facts about the Earth and nature. In Hudson Bay, Canada, gravity is weaker than in other areas, so you weigh a little less there. Scientists are still researching to understand the exact cause. The trees and forests aren't as silent as we think. Underground, their roots are connected to each other through a network of fungi, exchanging messages and nutrients as if they have their own internet. Beneath the Earth's surface, there are entire rivers of lava that remain still for thousands of years. But at any moment, they can erupt suddenly, destroying everything in their path. Mosquitoes are responsible for the highest number of human deaths, due to transmitting deadly diseases like malaria. They've killed millions more than major wars. And now about the field of space. Our galaxy contains about 100 billion stars, but scientists estimate there are more than 100 billion galaxies in the known universe. We are just a tiny speck. Every atom in your body was once part of a star that exploded billions of years ago. We are made of the remnants of the universe itself. The closest star to us after the Sun is Proxima Centauri, located about 4 light-years away. which means if you traveled at the speed of light, it would take you 4 years to reach it. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid wiped out the dinosaurs, paving the way for mammals, including humans, to dominate the Earth. Scientists have discovered bacteria capable of surviving inside nuclear reactors and resisting lethal radiation. This leads them to wonder, could life exist in harsh environments in space? And now, historical facts that will shock you. In 1518, a strange epidemic spread in France that made people dance for hours and days without stopping, until they died from exhaustion. The ancient Aztec civilizations used cocoa beans as currency, as if you were paying with chocolate today to buy your necessities. The blue whale, the largest creature ever, has a heart the size of a car, and its arteries are wide enough for a child to crawl through. Every minute that passes, more than 100 people die, while more than 250 are born. A cycle that never stops, from the beginning of time until now. And there you have it, 30 shocking facts that totally changed the way we see the world. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video and want more jaw-dropping facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our next mind-blowing episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, with even more amazing, weird, and incredible facts. Until next time, stay curious.